Second runner-up ay National University, and UP Fighting Maroons, first runner-up, 86 men's basketball. UAAP 86 season. Congratulations, UP Fighting Maroons for first runner-up. Na ito po ang tatanggap ng mga medals at trophy para sa first runner-up. At syempre po, ang champion ng 86 UAAP season na iba kundi ang De La Salle University.